We might have to go around that spot again, dude.
I hooked in the line right here.
Coming up to 30, coming up to 20. So I see my GPS breadcrumbs on the map on Deeper. I'm gonna take us right back at those fish marks.
Let's see if your high-tech shit works here.
17. Mitch Kaschub Guarantee, Trav. 16. Going up to 20 feet. Go left a little bit here. 17, 18. Straight at it. We should be going right over where we saw the fish marks. We go straight ahead here. Then we'll bank right before we get to that shallow reef. Yeah.
Oh, I got one.
That was a spot, man. That was a spot.
Come on, that's the bunker.
Yep.
Snap me off.
Go easy.
I'm gonna try to bring him around here and then back to you.
Okay.
So you can get a quick. Coming right up.
You bet.
Gotta just tip straight up, bring him right out of the depth.
You bet. Ooh, and the lure's out now. Good thing you didn't roll. Oh, careful, man. Lure's in the net.
Nice.
Might have to open. Oh, yeah, get the lure open bail. There you go.
You got the GoPro going?
Yeah, get a good gill. Yeah, gill hold underneath them.
Yeah,
Nice, dude. That's a great eater. If we were gonna eat them, I would eat that one. If it's 15, we'd check. But
I think it's 15.
it looks like that's a good eater. But we don't need any. See ya.
Don't need to eat. Mitch Kaschub Guarantee.
Mitch Kaschub Guarantee. You saw it live.
As long as I bitch, I get one.
As soon as Trav says we ain't gonna catch a fish doing this, hooked in.